dressed up as? Who?
Georgia.
No, you're dressed up as Tigger. Where's his tail?
It's here.
Where's Sierra's tail?
It's here. It's here. Oh, tail.
Where are your ears?
It's here. It's here.
Right there.
Yes.
Bing's ears.
Oh.
Did you fall on your bum?
Yeah.
On your Bing bum?
Pink bum.
Can you say Tigger?
Tail. Tail.
Are you sitting on the tail?
Tail, tail. Tail, tail.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Right here?
Mommy, baby, tail. Baby, tail.
No, honey, she doesn't have a tail. Tigger has a tail.
It's there.
That's right.
It's a costume.
You have your Tigger costume on? Bye, Tigger.
Why?
Because Mama's shutting off the camera now. Say bye.